The morning arrives quietly, as if nothing is about to break. Hands move slowly, tying leather that has seen too many days. Water is shared, not out of thirst, but out of habit.
No one speaks much. Words feel heavier than armor.
Food is divided carefully, as if time could stretch with it. A small object is touched. Something that once meant home. Metal shifts softly, a quiet reminder of what is coming. The light grows stronger, revealing faces no one will remember. They step forward together, though each walks alone. The land narrows here, as if the world is holding its breath. Shields align, forming something stronger than the men behind them. Across the distance, another line begins to move. Sweat forms early, before any blade is raised. No orders are needed. The body already understands. Dust rises between them, hiding what comes next. Fingers tighten, not from strength, but from fear. The ground trembles, not violently, but steadily.
Both sides move forward, neither one stopping.
Time slows, stretching between each heartbeat. Every step feels heavier than the last. The first impact is not clean. It never is. Footing fails first, long before the line does. Wood strikes wood, and the body absorbs the rest.
Hàng khiên giữ vững, nhưng chỉ trong một khoảnh khắc.
A man stumbles, not yet gone, but no longer steady. The line shifts, and something opens for a moment. What was ordered begins to lose its shape. Voices rise, but none of them carry meaning. Hands slip, grip again, and sometimes fail.
There is no space left, only pressure. The weapon cannot move, only the body adapts.
The weapon slips, and something changes. There is no technique now, only instinct. The shield is no longer protection, It becomes force. Hands search for anything, something to hold. The body begins to tire, but cannot stop.
Pain arrives quietly and stays. The body begins to fail, even while it still fights. There is no thinking now, only reaction.
The body bends just before it breaks.
This time, it doesn't hold.
An opening appears and is taken instantly. The gap grows faster than anyone can close it.
It happens fast, and no one sees it.
The body slows, even when it tries not to.
You no longer know. Look. You are no longer facing forward, or anything at all.
Everything becomes noise, and then less. The body leans, but never finds its way back.
Everything slips just before it ends.
The ground arrives, and everything moves on.
No one stops. Nothing waits. You try to move, but the world keeps moving first.
You reach again, but nothing answers.
The world fades before it disappears.
Light fades until nothing holds. There is nothing left to see. And then, nothing remains.
The world returns,
But not for you.
they are still moving, just not with you.
The distance grows, until it becomes everything.
They move away and do not return.
No one remains, only what was left behind. The ground remembers, even when no one else does.
Nothing moves, not even memory. It is over, and nothing remains to tell it.